Hi everybody, this is Chris, and in the last tutorial we queried the server about information about the PHP version we had installed on our server, and we used PHP info to use that. So let's go ahead and talk about echo. Now if you're used to using like C++ or C# or something like that, you're used to like using cout. Well, in PHP we use what's called echo. And to do that, we're just going to get rid of this and say echo. Now, it takes a string or a variable, but right now we're just going to deal with strings. So basically, every new application that you create in any programming language, you're going to say hello world. So to do hello world in PHP, that's all you have to do. You save the file, and you go back out to PHP info. We'll get rid of these here and refresh, and here we have hello world up there. So that's how we echo out, and that's how we can, we can change anything. We can say, hello, how are you? We can say stuff like this and just go out, refresh it, and it'll be the same. But this really doesn't, if we go ahead and view this page source, that's all we're doing. We're just putting text on the screen. So let's throw this in some HTML. So if we just take, get rid of this and just type HTML, and I'm using Emmet, so I'm going to have to type HTML5. And that will give me a boilerplate for this. If you're not using Emmet, then if you just hit Control-Shift-P and type install and go up here to package control and install package, you can just type Emmet and it'll come up. It's not coming up on mine because I already have it installed. And just click on that, install it, and you'll be just restart Sublime Text 2 and you'll be right here where I'm at. So if we wanted to put this into HTML now, we can just type H1, and let's not use H1, let's use something smaller. Let's use like an H2 and H3. Let's do H3, and then we can say PHP, open the tag, echo, and this is how you embed PHP into HTML. So we're just going to echo, and now we're going to say hello world. Let's capitalize it. And we'll save it there, go back out, refresh, and now it is in HTML. But also, we can echo out HTML. So instead of having this inside of an H3, let's go ahead and say PHP echo, and inside the echo quotation marks, we're going to have H3. I'm going to say hello world. Close our H3 tag, use our end of line, and then go back out, refresh, and nothing happened. That's because we did the exact same thing we just did. We're just echoing it out through the PHP tag. So now PHP also does have a print. So you could say PHP and you could say print, but I've rarely ever used it. It doesn't take parameters, so it's very limited on what it can do. So I just wanted y'all to be aware that there is a print command or a print function in PHP, but you will rarely ever use it. If we ever come to a point where you're going to use it, I'll explain it more, but for right now you're just going to use echo. Okay, in the next tutorial we're going to go over variables, so I'll see you there.